that would be much better.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Yes, Kushal.
Okay.
So it's 3 o'clock, Priyanka ma'am. Ma'am, can we start?
Take permission from principal ma'am.
Principal ma'am. Ma'am, are you there, principal ma'am?
Hello. Yes, I think we should go ahead.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Somehow I was not able to unmute. Yes, we should begin. It's 3. All the best. Start with a smile. Kushal.
Okay, so namaste and a warm welcome to all of you on this wonderful journey of Back to the Roots session with me, the host for the day, Ms. Sharon Kinney, and guest none other than Kushal Vaishnav, alumni of 2019 batch. But before starting with this session, I would like Principal Ma'am to first address this virtual gathering.
Okay, namaste to everyone. Good afternoon. It's a great pleasure to meet our old friend once again, that is Kushal. He is one of the best entertainers that Ram Ratna has ever witnessed, our own comedy king. I'm looking forward to a joy ride and a laughter ride with him. All the best, Kushal. So happy to have you. And all the best to Sharon.
Thank you, ma'am. So now I would like to introduce this handsome young man. Kushal is naughty but lively lad with a good sense of humor. Let us hear some of his achievements during his school days. Kushal is a gold medalist in 400 meters running race. He has won several silver medal in 100 meters running race and a bronze in 400 meters running race. Kushal has secured second place in volleyball DSO. He was second in cricket tournament held at Lonavala. He has also featured in cricket team for 3 continuous years. Talented Kushal also received a special mention in MUN 1 and higher recommendation in MUN 2 as well. He represented Syria in MUN headquarters, USA. Kushal even participated in a music competition and bagged second prize in singing a Sanskrit song and third in singing a Hindi song. He also stood third in a comic competition. So wow, Kushal, so many achievements and talents at such a young age. Great. Kushal, can you hear me? Oh. Yes, so Kushal, we have a short video compiled of your journey in the school. Have a look at it and I hope you like it. So I request Amit sir to kindly present the screen.
नगमे हैं, शिकवे हैं, किस्से हैं, बातें हैं। नगमे हैं, शिकवे हैं, किस्से हैं, बातें हैं। बातें भूल जाती हैं, यादें याद आती हैं। बातें भूल जाती हैं, यादें याद आती हैं। ये यादें दरिया का है पानी, पानी तो बह जाए, बाकी क्या रह जाए, यादें।
Russia has supported the international recognized government of Syria since the beginning of the Syrian conflict.
शिकवे हैं, इससे हैं, बातें हैं।
So amazing. How did you feel while the video was being played, Kushal? Any comments?
Good, ma'am. Just recollecting what I did and what I missed.
Yes, the memories that were flashed back. Yes. So I thank Reshma ma'am for preparing this video, and Amit sir, thank you for sharing your screen. Requesting Principal ma'am to share some of her fond memories with Kushal.
Okay. I had this immense pleasure of spending more time with him on our US trip, where he had been to participate in the IIMAN, and he was a rock star, like always. So, you know, on the way, wherever we would travel, he would keep cracking jokes. And he is such a humorous child. I totally respect and appreciate his sense of humor. I've never seen him sulking for anything or very serious, but I know that beneath this joyous exterior, he also is a very sensible, very confident, and responsible young man. And I'm so proud of him. And seeing your journey, you know, over the years in the school through this video, it brought back all those memories. I'm so glad that you have been a part of my life. Thank you, Kushal.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, thank you so much, ma'am. We'll start a conversation with a few question and answers. Hope you are ready and excited, Kushal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how do you feel to be a part of this program?
Firstly, I'm honored to be here, and it's a great platform to be here because after leaving the school, there's nothing to recollect about it. Just you have to sit and then you have to recollect, but not there is not a particular task or there is not particular thing that हाँ अभी याद करना चाहिए. But this brings that हाँ अभी याद करते हैं कैसा लगता है कैसा था वरना nothing is more important than school life that I have realized after leaving the school.
Yes, I agree with you, Kushal. Which field have you chosen now?
Ma'am, currently I am pursuing chartered accountancy.
Okay, that's interesting. What are your future plans?
And firstly, I want to complete my chartered accountancy course. Then I'll look forward to pursue it more in studies into marketing and finance. So I'll be joining MBA into finance and later on just money making.
Oh, that's great, Kushal. What efforts are you going to take to fulfill them?
Anything, what it costs, what it takes.
Okay, so you look very confident in pursuing your dreams, Kushal. We would like to hear about your journey after you left the school.
So when I left the school in 2019, so I started my stream in commerce. So I was in Sydenham College, and in Sydenham College or in the college that is near to more in South Bombay side, so they do not require much of the attendance. So my college life doesn't have any moment or anything because I hardly went to college. Not more than 10 days I go to college. So I just didn't do anything in 11th, 12th, but yeah. But when in 12th, I just came in 12th. So in last 2 or 3 months, I studied well for the 12th examination, and later on after 12th, we have to apply for the chartered accountancy course. So then I gave what it takes to be a chartered accountant. No, I'm pursuing it, not yet became. So firstly, I'm doing CAFC, which is the first phase of the chartered accountancy course.
Okay, that's good to hear, Kushal. What are the activities, co-curricular activities and achievements that you remember from the school time?
Co-curricular activity, all the sports events when it because there's a sports day in our school, and before sports day there is inter-house competition. Inter-house competition was the most memorable for us because every time cricket and volleyball is like Agnaya House जीतेगा इसमें ये है, and we never won, we didn't even secure third position, we always came last, and every year nahi, this time Agnaya House, and we never won.
Oh, so I hope you cherish all the memories that you spend in the school, Kushal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how was the experience as a sports captain of the house?
Firstly, becoming a sports captain was a shock because all my friends don't nominate for me monitor. They voted for me for sports captain.
That's really funny. Okay, so how was the feeling inside when you were nominated or when you became the sports captain?
Because then principal ma'am was announcing the captain's list and all. So I was sitting back. काय का आएगा मेरा नाम कौन लेगा so then I was sitting back, so just chit chatting with my friends and all. So sports captain Kushal Vaishnav, मैंने कहा, who is that? मैंने कहा sport है Kushal Vaishnav. Then I stood up, oh Kushal Vaishnav. Then I
Okay, so
realized
it
that
was
it's
all of
me,
a
Kushal
sudden.
Vaishnav. Yeah.
Okay, so I hope you did something good for your house as a sports captain.
I think so. I did.
Okay, so what do you consider as the strengths of Ram Ratna International School?
Which I take to college life.
Consider, yes, compared to the college life or the strengths, basically the strengths of Ram Ratna International School.
Ma'am, the strength it is that Ram Ratna International School gave me confidence to showcase in my college life, because in college life there are events, sports events, which I because I see my friend, they are not much confident. Like their school didn't provide their such platform where they can showcase their talent in sports activities or any other curricular activities. They are like scared. Like कौन जाएगा, कौन करेगा? मुझे तो डर लगता है. I'm like, come, we'll enjoy the game. Winning or losing is just part of the game. Just we have to participate. And in any of the sports or curricular activities, I used to participate. Winning or losing, I don't uh, make any
It doesn't
importance to
matter.
in life.
Yes.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
And
Okay.
preference to work, it's very important, because college life is more like relaxation, easy. But in school, till the time you don't complete your work, your first priority should be your work, and then later on. So in college life, I used to complete my assignment before time. And when I used to call my friend that it's done, look at abhi to bahut time hai. I'm like, please complete fast.
Okay, so the school taught you how to be on time and the leadership skills, basically the confidence and how to express yourself the way you are doing it right now. Thank you, Kushal. The parents play the biggest role in shaping our lives. What life lessons have your parents given you?
My father have taught me that something bad will happen, but many good will happen to you. That जो है वो इधर ही है, जो और किधर कुछ नहीं है. Means
Yes.
सामने वाले ने कुछ भी किया हो तुम्हारे साथ, तुम्हें उसके साथ अच्छा ही करना.
Wow, that's good. That's good. I believe parents play a very important role, very big role in shaping our lives. Am I right, Kushal?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. And my mother has helped me that ignore all the negativity of a person and just think of the positive, and the positive will help you to help him.
Yes, that's good. That's good. What learnings from school do you think have helped you to sail smoothly through the challenges of the outside world?
The learnings: be on time, be more specific, work attention, then be punctual and respect time.
Okay, so you make it sound so easy, Kushal. Good. I hope you follow them.
Partially.
Okay. So are you in touch with your school friends?
Yeah, everyone.
Can you name
But
few?
not everyone. Prem Sanghani, then Vitesh, Hridaya. Hridaya morning message me कि all the best Kushal. मैंने कहा इतना खतरनाक show है कि no, just boosting. मैंने कहा Princess ma'am also gave me all the sorry, Princess ma'am, Priyanka ma'am also gave me all the best. Sharon ma'am also gave me all the best.
Okay. So which memories do you remember fondly with your friends?
Memories, so many. I would like to recollect three of them. Ma'am, remember when there was a comic show in our school
Which year?
when 2018, I think so.
Might be, yes.
Yes, I remember, Kushal. We all remember.
Yes, ma'am. So there was a announcement of result. So Hridaya was announcing the result, and there were most three contenders who were going to win: me, Prashant, and Prem. So it was like third, second, first. So the result also was announced like this only. So Hridaya said uh, the third prize goes to. So any guesses? Everyone was like Prashant, and yes, you are correct, Kushal. Everyone was saying Kushal. Kushal.
Okay.
And second one, I remember in one all the commerce student was gathered in all the commerce students were gathered in library because Deepthi ma'am was absent. So there was no commerce lecture and we had to do self study. So we were 13 to 14 students in commerce. So we were sitting in the library, and then I went down to help Megha and Freya for some house preparation in conference hall. So it took hardly half an hour for me going down there. Sorry, to work with them. Then half an hour later, I came up and I saw no one was in the library. Then I saw towards the principal man Kevin. Then all were standing near principal man Kevin. So I just asked, "Okay, what? Why?" Prema, aja, maja aega.
Oh
Then
my God.
I thought that principal ma'am is going to appreciate us for something we are doing self-study. Where as soon as I reached over there, Dinesh sir opened the door and everybody moved in. I didn't know why we are going in, and I was standing in front. Principal ma'am started shouting on me because I was the first one, and then I later you are going on.
I can just
I
imagine.
started
Yes.
pushing the name. I was not in the
Okay.
library as well. I was standing out. I was with the. I was in conference room, and the one memory I still remember that on Saturday there is every music no on Saturday there is talent showcase talent and all. So
Express Saturday. That,
Express Saturday.
okay.
So my means our friends registered our name over there and also taken my name also. So I later on I got to know that my name is also there. So I just stood up from there and went back. So no one noticed me. So Hridaya and all called their name, Kushal and group come forward. I just sat back and nothing. I just sat with the staff, service staff members. No one noticed me. Kushal. Then everyone got me up and we got over the assembly stage and all. So Aditya Gupta was doing beatboxing. It was nothing like beatboxing, but he was doing. And rest of the was singing like nothing. Anything we were singing. And Aditya Gupta was what he was doing. And I do at least beatboxing normal. Then we went out of the classroom. And Prashant was like, कौन था वो beatboxing वाला? He was like, तू मुर्गी को बुला रहा था क्या? What you are doing exactly?
Okay.
These
Okay. That was lovely. That's amazing, Kushal. Okay, so Kushal, now I have one activity planned for you, and the name of the activity is Identify Me. Okay, so I request Nishita ma'am to kindly share the screen. Okay, so what you have to do is I have some photos of some staff members, some teachers, Didi Bhaiyas, and some people from our school, and you have to just identify them looking at the face is hidden. Okay, you have to just look at their physique, and you have to just tell me the name of that person. So Nishita ma'am. Okay, so the first one is this. Kushal, can you see the screen?
No, ma'am.
If you can just unpin me, then you will be able to see what IT, this marketing head is sharing.
I think Nishita got logged out.
But I
Nobody
can
saw.
see.
No,
You
ma'am.
can-
Amit sir, once you stop presenting and share it again, please.
Should I stop sharing, Nishita?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can see now.
Okay, so the first slide, Nishita ma'am.
Now I cannot see.
Yes, 1 second. Okay. So can you see now, Kushal?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you identify this person?
Usha, ma'am.
Oh, exactly. Bang on. Next, yes, she is none other than Usha ma'am. The person in the lady in blue sari. Think. Do you want some help?
But who will help me?
Okay, so I'd request anyone can unmute themselves and just help Kushal.
Can I?
Rituparna ma'am. Oh, sorry.
No. Can I?
Yes, Smita ma'am, yes.
Sarah, Kushal, I think
Yes, ma'am.
she the first principal of our school.
Do you
Indrajit,
remember?
ma'am.
Yes, exactly. She is none other than Indrajit ma'am, the principal of our school, the previous principal of our school. Okay, next, ma'am.
I don't. Shailaja, ma'am.
No.
This one is easy.
No. Yeah, I remember her name, but she was a judge in a comic show,
Okay.
and she was HR head.
Okay. She is the HR.
And
Sorry,
she
she is the
was
HR.
she was your foster parent.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Her cabin is inside the office room.
Yes. So the name Cheryl ma'am. She is Cheryl ma'am, the HR of our school. Okay. Next.
Anil Bhaiya.
Oh, exactly. Anil Bhaiya. Good.
Sarika, ma'am.
Exactly. I was smiling, Sarika ma'am. Thank you. Okay, so now I have some places as well, okay, of the school, of some corners, some classrooms, and you have to just identify them and tell me the names of those places, okay? All the best. Come on. Which is this
Reception.
area? Okay, good. Very quick.
Our 2018 annual day, right, happened
So what is this place known as?
near mess,
So it's
Place
the
near-
school auditorium.
school auditorium.
Okay. Next.
Music room.
Good. Next.
Who will remember this place?
So come on, you should say the name of this place now.
Ma'am, this is examination hall.
Yes, exam room. Okay.
Chemistry lab.
Wow, excellent.
Mess.
Good. And the last one, come on.
Sports
It's very
ground.
simple. Yes, this is a school playground. So you were very quick. Thank you so much, Kushal. We'll again start with our question answers round. How is the outside world different from the school, Kushal?
Outside world. is more challenging than the school world, because school world just provide you a bubble. You are in a bubble of protection from a school teacher. They teach you how to not be protected from your school and parent. Be yourself, be who you are. But they are always to protect you. But outside world is more of you than other world.
Okay, so basically you wanted to say school is basically a home, right? Where you are protected. Okay.
When
What is your message from for your juniors, Kushal?
my message is that enjoy your school life. Nothing is more memorable than other than your school life, because once that moment will pass, you are not going to remember anything.
Yes,
And
exactly.
every student in ninth or 10th thinks that college life is more of relaxation, chit chat, we'll have a happy day time with our teachers of college, but there's nothing like that.
Okay, Kushal. So what are your best memories of school days?
Memories like first period, the first period where we are always in hurry to have breakfast. First period was of only 20 or 30 minutes, but it was like 1 hour because the breakfast was too important for us. That breakfast time of 20 minutes was everything for us.
Okay. Okay,
Then
so
the
did
lunch time, then the last 15 minutes or last 5 to 10 minutes when principal ma'am used to take that word session and all. In 5 to 10 minutes, we used to get all the words from everyone. We used to learn every day. We used to learn that word and hope whether we are prepared or not prepared. We just hope that principal ma'am don't call our name. Whether we are prepared.
okay. So the best memories. Okay, so you cherish them, right?
Yes.
Okay, so did you ever get a chance to have breakfast with the principal ma'am? And how was the
Yes.
experience?
Twice or thrice.
Oh, that's great. And how was your experience?
Experience was firstly before knowing that I'm going to go for breakfast. It was like because more than we are scared of principal ma'am, we are scared of Dinesh sir. Because Dinesh sir was because he used to come because there are two doors like which one door is from this corridor and one door is from that corridor. So whenever Dinesh sir come from the corridor which is from ICT lab, we are relaxed. We were like, no,
Okay.
nothing is going to happen. And
Okay.
when Dinesh sir used to come from the corridor which the side which belongs to principal ma'am, we were like, I Prem, Vitesh, तूने कुछ किया ना? तूने पक्का नहीं नहीं मैं तो अभी था ही नहीं. I was like, मैं तो 5 दिन से नहीं आया उसको क्या करूँ? And Mr. Ma'am called us, me, meet, Arav and all for the breakfast. Then ma'am, Dinesh sir said, Kushal, this, principal ma'am for breakfast. नहीं मेरा पेट खराब है आज घर से खा के आया हूँ मैं. लगा no, it's compulsory. ठीक है. Then we used to go, we have a good chat with ma'am. Principal ma'am always say that now do this, do that. Be in discipline. Yeah. We always, when we were in school with friends, we just eat too much. But when we were with principal ma'am, just one foodie and anything. No, ma'am, we are on diet. It's okay. We just eat this much only. We
Okay,
always do
okay.
bargain. Eat this much, have little bit more.
Okay, so any particular food item or you liked much from the mess during breakfast?
Yes, ma'am. Cutlet. The milk was too, yeah. Milk
Okay,
was,
good, good. So something funny that you can recollect and share with us?
I think so. I shared that the moments. That was the most funniest I have ever seen.
Okay. So what is that one thing about school that you miss the most?
The school,
The school.
the teachers, the friends, the time. When the moment we entered in the school and the moment we exit, that everything. the time the first bell to the time the last bell ring, everything. Because going after 2 or 3 lecture, we go in a group to washroom, to school, to drink water. We used to go in, then we have a 5 minute like relaxation time. Then we come back. Then we have all the friends grouping in, sitting on the 2 or 3 days. All the friends sitting on the 2 or 3 desks only.
Okay.
Then,
Yes.
then Ashok sir came. Ashok sir never said, okay, sit down. He used to say, everybody stand up. Everybody stand up. And one by one, now you sit, now you sit, now you sit, now you sit. Then me and Darsh always used to stand. I don't know the reason till now, but we always used to stand.
Okay, so Ashok sir is there with us. Ashok sir, would request you why you made these children always stand in the class. Are you there, Ashok sir?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
So what is the reason of you making them stand? Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Because, ma'am, these are the 2 students who were naughtiest among all the students. That's why I used to make them sit at the end.
Okay, so that was my introduction about Kushal. He's the naughtiest. He was
Yes.
the naughty child, but he was very active and lively as well.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Kushal. Thank you so much, Ashok sir. So given a chance, Kushal, would you want to come back to school for a day?
Yes, ma'am. Of course. Yeah, for a day, for 1 year, for 1 month.
Oh,
I would
that's
love
great.
to come back.
Okay. So how can alumni contribute to the school?
Alumni can contribute. Oh, alumni with me.
Yes.
The session. Oh, we can contribute by providing such memories back, like having a 2 or 3 days after 1 or 2 months. We can come back to school. We can cherish that moment. We can have a time spent with principal ma'am, or we can guide some juniors that how to spend their life. Not because last 2 or 3 months, last 2 or 3 months in my school life, I just ignored my friends, 2 or 3 friends, which I feel it's one of my mistake, that life is too short. Just enjoy the moment and just leave. Not leave means enjoy the moment and move forward. Not
Okay.
to be sad and all.
I would just like to interrupt here, Sharon.
Yes, ma'am.
What you said just now, Kushal, it really touched my heart. You know, it takes a lot of courage and a lot of honesty. Shows the integrity of a person who can accept that he did something wrong, and to accept and realize that you ignored someone and you should not have done it. I mean, this is the most beautiful aspect of someone's character. So stay genuine and honest like this forever, and I love you for this.
Thank you, ma'am. What can the school do to keep the connection strong with the alumni?
Ma'am, school is doing that, conducting such a session with the alumni, and school can have several sessions offline through after the lockdown gets over. We can have a whole day with the juniors, with the other people as well, staff members, with principal ma'am. We can have a sports event in that particular day where the sports lover can enjoy themselves and have a great time with the other sports in charges and with us.
Okay, so points noted, Kushal. Amazed to see you express yourself so well, Kushal. I request the teachers to express themselves now.
Namaste, Kushal.
Namaste, ma'am.
How are you, Kushal?
Good.
Nice to see you. I am good, thank you. And really, you were very honest in your entire talk today. I agree to what Principal Ma'am said. It really takes a lot of honesty and courage to be so honest in accepting the things, and that is what you did. So we are really very proud of you. I did not teach you as such, but I still enjoyed interacting with you because you were one of the wittiest one in the class, you know. So you used to keep a very blank face. You Surendra Sharma जो है राजस्थान के बहुत famous comedian है. So you know Surendra Sharma के जैसा आपका था. That you used to keep blank face, but you used to uh, make some wonderful jokes and used to make us laugh. You never used to laugh, but you used to make others laugh. Always in your every sentence there used to be some kind of humor added, a very subtle humor which we all teachers used to enjoy a lot. So I remember that in that quality of yours. So I really wish you all the best, Kushal. Keep this humor. Today also you made us laugh. Like I was laughing a lot listening to all your experiences, and you were very open in sharing all your funniest moments, and where you were very naughty, mischievous. You did not hide anything. You were very open to share everything. So you're honest. Your sense of humor is really very great. So I think in that class, one was Prashant and one was you. You made us laugh a lot. So keep up this quality, because this quality is very rarely present in people, where they can make people laugh. That is the best quality I feel someone has, and you are one of them who have this rarest of the quality. So keep this with you, and God bless you. Keep progressing in life. Wish you all the best. May God fulfill all your dreams, all your wishes, and keep laughing, and make people also keep laughing around you. Make them smile always. Take care, Kushal. Thank you. Take care, dear.
Thank you.
Bless you, bacha. Bye.
Yeah. Namaste, Kushal.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste. How are you? I mean, I think after you left the school, I'm seeing you today. And yes, but you're still the same. I have been your class teacher for 3 years, I think so. And yes, right from that small age, you had really very good sense of humor, and ekdam se serious atmosphere in the class when we were doing something, when I was teaching something, and he will just pass on some one-liner. कुछ भी शायद किसी को कुछ पूछ लिया होगा, and he will just pass on something, and I'll just look at him, and then no one can control your laugh, like when he says something. Yes, I fondly remember you, Kushal. I mean, there are so many instances where you have really lightened up the environment. And whenever I think after 9th, 10th, I never taught you, but whenever I pass your classroom, I have to just peep in, and you and your friends like Vitesh and Prem, I think Arav, you always used to have fun. So I'll just peep in, and then I'll shout, "What are you all doing? Can't you just be disciplined?" So at that time also you would say something. So yes, you are a very good, actually, a very good boy, a very good human being. You are. You were never out of, like, even if you joked around, made everyone laugh, you were never out of limits. I still remember. You remember we had this class assembly. You were the Chetak. We had the class assembly on Prithviraj Chauhan, right? Right. Chetak at that, yeah. You and you are always obeyed. Like whatever being, we had to push you, but take part. And whenever any responsibility given to you, you would really take it up very well. So you are still the same. I enjoyed your session today. You just made us laugh, made us recollect all the memories. Always be like this. Always be happy. All the best. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So whatever you do, all the best, and be in touch. You'd like to see you more, right? Keep that smile intact, your students. Okay. Chalo, all the best. Okay.
नमस्ते खुशहाल. नमस्ते खुशहाल.
नमस्ते, मैम.
कैसे हो?
ठीक हूँ.
थोड़ा अच्छे से बोलो, जैसे हिंदी क्लास में चहकते थे. Where is your buddy? शेरॉन मैम, जब मैं क्लास में एंट्री करूँ तो इसका हमेशा हे बड़ी. तो मतलब यार यहाँ बड़ी कौन है और छोटी कौन है? तो प्रेम शाह को इसका कहना बड़ी. खुशहाल, मैं चाहूंगी तुम वो बाहुबली का सीन जो तुमने हिंदी क्लास में किया था लास्ट टाइम, अनीशा दाम्बे ने भी वो याद किया था, और मैं चाहती हूँ आज अगर हो सके तो तुम यहाँ पे वापस से वो सीन कर सको तो अच्छा लगेगा.
यस
वो है ना, अमरेंद्र बाहुबली नहीं रहे आपके नए, और वो आपने वो जितने भी पेपर्स और जो स्केटिंग के बैग्स थे उठा के आपके नए राजा हैं.
Yeah, sure. ये अभी तो बुक है.
Yes.
अमरेंद्र बाहुबली नहीं रहे. आपके नए राजा महेंद्र बाहुबली.
वो तुम्हारा जोक क्लास में खासकर तो उन्नति और तुम्हें शांत कराना होता था. बस क्लास में एंट्री करो तो कुछ ना कुछ आपका और उन्नति का झगड़ा शुरू ही रहता था. ऐसी बहुत 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 सारी यादें हैं. तो मुझे लगता है आज उन्नति को भी यहाँ होना चाहिए था, लेकिन गॉड ब्लेस यू खुशहाल, ऑल द बेस्ट. ऐसे ही खुश रहो और हंसाते रहो और खुद भी हंसते रहो. यस.
Namaste. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Dhanashri ma'am.
Namaste, principal ma'am. Namaste, Kushal.
नमस्ते मैम.
How are you?
Good man. How are you, ma'am?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm also good. So Kushal, I remember for a few days Kushal was there in my EVM class, and when I used to enter in the class, first I used to check Kushal class में है कि नहीं, क्योंकि कुशाल अगर क्लास में है तो मुझे पता चलता है कि आज मेरी क्लास कैसे जाने वाली है. अगर कुशाल नहीं है तो एकदम शांति से क्लास जाएगी, नहीं है तो बहुत कमेंट्स होने वाले, बहुत ज्यादा डिस्टर्बेंस होने वाला है. Kushal, I wanted to tell you one thing. I never wanted you to leave EVM. I still wanted you to be there EVM, to take EVM. But still, though he left EVM, still every time he used to come and ask me, "Ma'am, आपको बहुत बुरा लग रहा होगा ना कि मैंने EVM छोड़ा है." So that time मजाक में मैं बोलती थी कि अच्छा हुआ कुशाल आप नहीं हो करके. But it was always a fun. But I always wanted you to be there. And you have like whatever you do, you are though naughty and all, but still you have a very clear heart. You don't have anything in your mind. You are a very clean hearted person, and you have a lot of respect for a person with whom you're talking, for your teachers and for your elders. And I really like your that quality. And as everybody said, you have a different quality of creating that environment. Now also, like everybody, you can see that there is a smile on everybody's face, and this is a unique quality which you have. And I wish that you have this. You should, इस क्वालिटी को संभाल के रखो और आगे लेके जाओ. And all the best for your life, and God bless you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, teachers, for expressing yourselves. Kushal, are any of your friends there here? Priyanka ma'am, so if they can, they would like to express themselves.
Vidya is there, Anisha is there.
So any of them, Anisha?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Ridya.
Tisha is also there.
Namaste, Kushal. Namaste, everyone. I would like to say that I was smiling throughout the entire session. And about Kushal, I would like to say that he is very witty, and no doubt that he has such a great sense of humor. I would like to say that many people, whenever they make fun, they kind of hurt someone's feelings. But with Kushal, he never hurt someone's feelings. He always made sure that everyone is laughing and everyone is enjoying. And he made our school life so memorable. Like at one point, if Kushal was not there in the class seemed so dull. So I would just like to say that may we be in touch, and all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you.
Anyone else?
So I
would like to
namaste everyone.
Ma'am, I share.
Yes, teacher, you can say.
Okay, Dipti ma'am sharing.
Okay, thank you, teacher. Namaste everyone. Hi Kushal, how are you?
Good ma'am, fine ma'am.
Okay, so we were in that was our first commerce batch. It was a very memorable commerce batch. We were 13 to 14 students, and the center of attraction used to be Kushal, because he used to always say, "Ma'am, I have not bought books because I forgot to bring the book. I forgot to bring the textbook. So that our class used to start like that. So I forgot to bring the textbook. I will share. So sharing is caring. He used to always say. So such liners he used to always say, and then it was very difficult for me to make Unnati, and Kushal. Like I mean, it was. I used to make sure that they both sit aloof, very far away, and then every time Kushal used to pass comment about Unnati, I used to make sure I used to speak to Unnati. Unnati, don't feel bad. He's like that. Yes, ma'am. I know he's like that. I'm not feeling bad. So those are the memories. Like I mean, it was wonderful to have you. So Kushal, we really miss you. All of you miss you, and you could have sensed by now. Everyone was so like happy to see you when we got to know that next Back to Roots session is with Kushal. So we always like I mean we made sure all of us like we are here for you, to hear to you, to listen to you, the way you speak, your sense of humor, everything. All the very best for all your future endeavors. Do good and be as you are. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take care, Vidya.
Thank you, Dipti ma'am, for your kind words. Tisha, you can unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Namaste, everyone. Kushal, undoubtedly, like he was so lively throughout this meeting. He had such a presence in class. Like a dish has dressing on top, he was that dressing to our class. He made every class so lively, so fun. I remember especially 8th grade, I was his bench partner. Every lecture, I used to laugh like anything, and every teacher used to be like, Tisha, don't start turning it to Kushal. He used to make so subtle comments and make everyone laugh, and used to disturb as in like give a healthy break to the class. Even we were that class during the lunch period. We were that class who did not used to get out of the class, and Dinesh bhai has to come and get out of the class and like lock it or lock everybody inside. It was because Kushal used to put on a show in the class with different music, songs. We used to even play cricket in the class. So he made it so fun. And all the best to you, Kushal. Keep that lively nature of yours and keep making everyone laugh.
Thank you so much, Tisha.
Thank you, Tisha. Anisha Dambe had raised her hand. Anisha,
yes, even I would like to speak. Namaste, everyone. Namaste, Kushal.
Namaste, Anisha.
I would like to say that Kushal was the most funny person in the class. I still remember that Bahubali incident, what you had shared in the first lecture. That was actually the most funny incident I remember. And throughout the lecture, it was like a happy lecture going on whenever you were in it. It was Hindi lecture, maths lecture, and also in music lecture, we had shared a lot of memories, I remember. And yeah, that's all. You were literally one of the wittiest person I've seen and a very jokey person. All the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you, Anisha.
Okay. So thank you everyone for expressing yourselves. I would now request Principal Ma'am to say a few words.
Yes, Sharon, thank you for the opportunity. It was such a beautiful experience throughout this almost 1 hour of time that we have spent with Kushal. And I was expecting no lesser than this. I knew this is going to be a joyride, as I said in the beginning. And it is so lovely to see your friends also remembering all those memories that the teachers are also remembering. It happens rarely that a student is loved equally by the teachers and the friends. It's a rare quality. And everybody has spoken about it. What I would like to say is, if somebody like Kushal becomes a chartered accountant and is managing people's financial portfolio, even if they are at huge loss, he will make them feel that everything is fine. He'll make things very light for them. I think that's a great quality to have in any individual. खुश रहो और सबको खुश रखो, हंसते रहो, हंसाते रहो. My blessings are always with you. You have always been one of my most favorite children when it comes to, enjoying life. I have seen you enjoying your school life, and that's the best thing that one can do in school time. सीखते तो सभी हैं और सीखना पड़ता ही है, पर उस चीज को पूरे मजे के साथ सीखना, that is what the school life should be all about. I would also like you to know, I'm quite privileged that you were a classmate of my daughter. So I used to know many more things which I probably would not have known otherwise, just being the principal. I used to get to know from Hridaya, what new poem you have created, what new stories you have created, what, new drama you have acted in the class. So I know all those inside stories that your friends know. I hope you're not going to, fight over this with Hridaya, or I don't know if she's going to tell me, aapko kuch nahi batana chahiye. So anyway, this was just to tell you that she used to tell me those things which used to make me also laugh. And that makes me so proud that we have such children in our school. Like everybody said, you never crossed that boundary of decency. And that is something amazing. So fantastic. And we had this idea of organizing this competition for the first time, the Comedy Star of RRIS. I had you in my mind when I thought that we should have something like this. And the idea that was given, I think Iris conducted or we conducted, I don't remember. But you had you in my mind that if खुशहाल के होते हुए अगर हम इस तरह का competition नहीं रखेंगे तो हम कब रखेंगे? So God bless you. And it was lovely meeting you today. And I'm sending all my best wishes for a bright future and lots of love to you. God bless you. ऐसे ही खुश रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो.
Thank you.
So thank you, ma'am. This was an amazing session, Kushal. It was nice speaking with you, and I wholeheartedly, with all the well-wishers of Ram Ratna International School, wish you decades of prosperity, happiness, and fulfilling experiences. Thank you, Kushal. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done, Sharon. You both made us laugh throughout this session. It was a beautiful experience. God bless you both. और खुशहाल आते रहना, मिलते रहना स्कूल में.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
And take care of yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
All the best, Kushal. Take care. Well done, Sharon, ma'am. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Well done, Sharon. Right. And Kushal,